Hey guys, in this course it will be about the introduction into forex trading. I won't really talk much here, we'll just dive straight to it. Now this course are for those that don't have any idea about forex. They just to like usher you in to tell you what forex trading is all about. Nothing too deep here, just an introduction. So we're going to dive straight in. So what is forex trading? Now forex trading is the exchange, which is the buying and selling of currency. So the same way you go and you buy let's say rice in the market where you give them money and they give you rice. Now in this case it's different because you're going to be giving money and you're going to be collecting money, but in different currencies. You understand? Now you might ask, what is the profit in that kind of movement? Well, it's just like, let's say, for example, somebody comes back from abroad and gives you like $100, and you go to the exchange market, maybe an booking now to go and like change the money, and the person is telling you that to change this money, you have to give you 150K. So you give him the $100 and he gives you 150,000 naira. That is what they call forex trading. That is an exchange. So how do we do this and make money? So let's say for example now, when you go to that Aboki or whatever it is, and you tell him that you want to change the money, and he tells you it's 150,000 naira, and probably something happened, you choose not to change it again, you let her go home, and you wait for like 2 months. So when you come back to the market, when you come back to meet the Aboki man, he might now tell you that dollar has risen. Oh. So if what is going to be giving you instead of 150K is 170K, you understand? So now there is an increase in the money you would have collected initially. So that profit now is what we call is what we traders actually live on in the forex market because we buy currencies, hope that they go up and we sell them. Sometimes we even sell the currencies hoping that it will go down to go like like more cheaper, then we buy them back when they are cheaper. So it goes both ways. We can both buy and sell, we can both sell, then buy. You understand? So the forex currencies are paired like this: Euro USD, these euros, this United dollar, United States dollar, this Australian dollar, this pound, this JPY, which is Japanese yen. These are just different currencies of the major countries that are involved in forex trading. Why I'm showing you this is so that you can just get familiar with um what they look like. You understand? It's not as if I'm going to go dive into deep into what they do. You understand? So quickly, I know you might ask, okay, how is it possible for we to be like always going to our bookie to be changing our money and all of that, and must we buy in bulk and all those things? The answer is no. If you want to see profit, that is where these people comes in, what they call the brokers. Now, these brokers, they are companies that enables you to buy and sell digitally from the comfort of your home or your office, meaning that you can just be in your house and you can execute buy and sell orders from your laptop, from your phone. You don't have to go to where you understand where they are physically. It's just like your bank now. Because you have a bank app now, you can just transfer money from your bank app. Before then, it wasn't like that. You would have to go to the bank itself, then they will now send the money for you, or you will receive the money. But right now, you don't need to do that. From the comfort of your home, you can send money and receive money. So that is what the brokers do. The broker also give what they call leverage. You understand? But that one will be discussed in our course. You understand? When we actually teaching you full forex trading. I don't really want to go into that for now. So that is how forex is being traded. Now, what are the advantages of forex trading? Now, the first advantage is that it is recession proof, meaning the economy cannot affect forex traders. Meaning, if the US economy is doing well, we will buy and we'll make profit. If the US economy is not doing well, we will sell and we'll still make profit. Any country at all that is doing well or is not doing well, we can both benefit from that. You understand? So it can also be done remotely. That's another advantage of forex trading. You can just be in your house and you can be trading. You don't need to go to an office. But that one means that you don't need to now start like getting a shop, which can be more expensive than let's say for example you're doing like a barbing business or you're doing like anything, maybe you're selling something, you need to have a shop. But for forex trading, you don't need to have a shop. You understand? And when you've learned the forex trading, ordinarily it takes time to learn, but when you've learned it fully well, you need like less than 2 hours a day to make your analysis. Especially if you're a swing trader, you don't really need much time to make your analysis. 2 hours in a day, you're done. You can do other things you want to do with your life. Fourth one, it pays in dollars. You and I know that we cannot, downplay the importance of getting paid in dollars in this economy now. Dollar is going high against the naira, and the naira is a lot of value. So something that pays in dollar is a very, very, very good, you know. Lastly, the last advantage that we get from forex trading is like, unlike other business that takes a fortune to start, you can just start with like less than $20. You can even get a proper account for less than $40. Now, what it means is that you $10, $20, you can actually start your forex business. You understand? You can start small with $10. I'm not saying it's advisable to start with $10. Those money is too small in the forex market, but you can start with it. You understand? You can make profit from there. You can get $1, you understand, $2 profit. You understand? It's something that is like 1,000, 2,000 naira of profit in a day or two or three. You understand? It's not all business that you can start that small and still be picking up 1,000 naira in a day as a profit. You understand? You can also get you can even get a prop account for less than $40. Prop accounts are, which I'm going to be talking about soon, about how we're going to be earning money. That is what we do in our academy. We talk about how our traders can get funded from prop firms. Prop firms are companies that they pay you, you understand, they pay you for you to, trade. You understand? They will test you first of all to see if you're good. And once you're good, they will give you a huge sum of money. You understand? The least amount of profit you can get is $5,000. You can get $10,000, 20, $200,000. And if you make profit, you keep about like 70 to 80% of the profit on those kind of accounts. So with less than $40, you can get a proper account. So that is how easy it is in forex trading once you've learned the skill. So these are the advantages of forex trading. Now, disadvantage of forex trading. Now, something can't just be all good. It must have a bad side. So the first disadvantage of forex trading is that it is risky. Forex trading is risky. You understand? So that is why we at Charisma Trade, what we do is that we specialize in risk management training. We teach our students how to manage their risks very, very well, how to tell them the amount of capital they should bring out to trade, then how to teach them how to calculate their position size and in a way whereby they will not all their accounts won't be open to risk. You understand? We prioritize risk management very, 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 very well. That is our number one form of teaching. And it's because of that we're able to be passing all these program challenges, all these program um tests and all. It's because of how risk conscious we are. So another disadvantage of forex trading is that it's very difficult to learn on your own without guidance. If you say you want to go to YouTube and start watching videos, you can learn forex with those kind of stuff, you understand? But it will take you like 3 years before you're actually like good enough to some extent. And even with the 3 years, you'll still be losing money. But if you choose to have a guidance, a mentor, someone that will just, you know, shorten the journey for you, in less than 6 months, you see yourself doing what someone that has been training for 3 years is doing in less than 6 months. You understand? So that is what our mentorship also provides. It provides a very, very, thought through process and in a way that it is very articulated that in 2 3 months time you're done learning all the theoretical part of trading, and what's now left is for you to now gain experience by yourself by trading it. You've learned every single thing from strategy to risk management to psychology. What will be left is for you to now start applying those things you learned in the real life charts. Okay, so that is the advantage of forex. So in our next class, which I'll be talking about pro firms, I'll be showing you guys how we make money for prop firms, we cash out from prop firms. You understand? It's more cheaper. You don't have to put in your own thousands of dollars inside before you can see money. With a little money that you used to buy the prop firm, how you can start making thousands of dollars in profit from it consistently every month. So that's what I'll be talking about in the next video. So yeah, stay